Now for this detail, we're gonna make chains, all right? But now we're gonna join the yarn in the middle of our heart. Make a slip stitch, and then you're gonna chain a lot, about 200 chains. It's up to you how long you want your chain to hang it on the wall. So I'm gonna crochet a lot, okay, and also I fasten this yarn here here, so it shouldn't be open, okay? And then I meet you again. Now I made about 130 chains, okay, and now I'm going on to the same stitch here, loop here, and make a slip stitch, okay, and make a chain, and then cut your yarn. Now we're gonna pull the yarn, so we go in here and pull your yarn, go into the heart a few times, and this is the other end of the yarn, okay? So I come here out, same space, make your knot, pull it a little bit, and make 2-3 times knot. Okay, cut your yarn. Oops. And hide it into the shape, into the heart. So now we have here our chain. Now we're gonna take our beads okay, and then make here a knot like that, and then the other, I think I take it away out because this hole of the bead is too big, so I need to make one more knot with the rope. I'm gonna make here one more rope, one more knot here. So this should be enough now, and then And one more time. So like that. And the third bead. So, and then you need your K-ring. Like that. Now we're gonna make the arms and the legs. Also, you can make here on the top also one more note if you want. You can make. It's not necessary, but you can make so the bead will not move. There. Yes, like this. So now we're gonna make the arms and the legs. Arms and legs are same tutorial. So let's start with the first one. We make one magic ring, and into the magic ring we make 6 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we pull the yarn and close our ring, and in the next row we're gonna make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So we increase all 6 stitches at this round. And then you should have 12 stitches at the end of the row. 8. So increase next. 10 and increase next. 12. Now in the next row we're gonna sorry, I'm looking for my stitch marker. Well, in the next row we're gonna make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and increase in the next. 1 single crochet, increase in the next until end of the row. You make it six times, and at the end of this row you should have 18 stitches. Okay, and then you're gonna make 2 more rows with each row 18 stitches. So the next row we make 1 single crochet and decrease 2 stitches together. 1 single crochet, decrease 2 stitches together until end of the row. You repeat it. 1 single crochet, decrease. 1 single crochet, decrease. 1 single crochet and decrease. So you should have now 12 stitches. Okay, and now we're gonna fill also the feet. Okay, in the next row we decrease 6 times, 2 stitches together, 6 times. So one more time. But here now we go not join the white yarn, because I make the leg now and finish the last stitch with the white yarn. Okay, and here I'm gonna make a knot to fasten it like that and cut the green yarn. So you can put the rest of the yarn inside the feet. And now we go into the next stitch here, okay, and across of the feet we go also through the stitch and pull our yarn and make one slip stitch, okay, and then we're gonna chain 30. 1, 3, 4, 5. So we cut our yarn and of this one you're gonna make 4 pieces. Same way, 4 pieces of that. So we're gonna use 2 of that for the arms and 2 for the legs. And now I attach this on the side here, okay, so about in the middle here, I think on the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, between 14 and 15 rows you can attach. Now you can cut that yarn here. So the first arm is finished. So you're gonna make 4 of this, all right, total. And the other one you attach it here, and the other 2 as legs you're gonna attach about from the arms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows distance between arms and legs, okay? You can keep 9 rows distance here and attach here, or 8 rows, it's up to you. Just look to your toy, however you like it. 8 or 9 rows is enough, and you attach all of them, and then we're gonna make the eye together. Now I attached already the legs and the arms, okay, and already made the first eye. And here I'm gonna show you how to make the second eye. So you come here in about the same distance from the top and in the middle, the face, to make the eye. And you go in here and then come out here I take that. Go into the same space, but keep this in your yarn, okay? You come out and go in the same space under, okay? And then here we come out. And where we start with your black yarn, we go out there to make the knot. So and our wall hanging heart is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and make also one for your loved ones. For Valentine's Day, you can make presents. Yes? It's really very cute. So I have 2 of them now. I hope to see you in my next video, and thank you for your watching, and see you soon. Take care and bye bye.